Tell me about your build here.
Yeah, so I don't know if you have any John Wick fans out there, but I need guns, lots and lots of guns. 4x8 Harbor Freight trailer, not a lot of space to work with, so I had to make the most out of everything I had. A lot went into this, super useful. Right now I'm pulling this with my hybrid, my plug-in hybrid. I've got a level 2 charger right here in this box, and I'm still struggling through carbon monoxide issues on the generator, but I'm getting 54 miles a gallon. When that works fully, I'll probably get 100 miles a gallon out of this. I'm upgrading to a truck, so I need the equipment. But anyway, fun to build this. Pull out hose reels. Got 4 of them in here. Dual 7-gallon a minute Remco system. Full proportioner with remote control. Flow Pro, remote control.
So point to what we got here.
Yeah, so that's the Flow Pro right there. Here, I'll just come in here. Okay. So this is the soft wash system I made here. Built my own bar and switch. Dual systems, dual pumps, one here. Texas twister, basically.
What's the Texas twister?
So it's basically a dual Remco 7-gallon per minute, 100 PSI system. It's just in a metal utility box, and Texas Pressure Washing sells that. So I just took that because I have a small trailer. I just mounted it directly to the wall.
2 pumps.
2 pumps.
And a 3rd pump.
Basic switch here, and this controls everything. Tells you your battery voltage. System's live now. We can run soft wash. We can also run my transfer pump here. So when I reload or refill the SH, I've got a separate pump for that. It also doubles as a backup. So if one of these pumps go bad, I have one on board right now to finish the job if needed. Flow Pro here. This is a remote system. Allows me to downstream remotely through my pressure washer hose right here.
What pressure washer you got?
I've got an IGX 800. Oh, I've got gas coming out of it. That's not good. I've got an IGX 800 here. General pump TSF 2221, 8 gallons per minute. I get closer to 9. But yeah, man, it's pretty cool. Works great. I got to fix that.
Nice. And then tell us about the generator.
Yeah, so the generator, because I have such a small space here, I can't fit a giant battery or more than one really. So I use a, is it NOCO? Forget the name of it. A trickle charger here to run on the generator, which recharges the battery, keeps my voltage up here, and then that generator feeds to the front electrical box there, which charges my EV as well. Proportioner as well for soft wash on the wall here, remote controlled as well.
All right, sweet. Now tell me, Evan, what was the goal behind your build when you started this?
So the goal was to work with what I had. We had a family car. I'm fresh out of Boeing. And basically, I just wanted to try to see if I could use what I had, keep it inexpensive, and fit the most sophisticated, advanced, simple equipment in the most compact space to pull behind a family vehicle. The goal was to eventually get, 100 miles a gallon and be able to do 80 to 90% of the work out there that most washers are doing right now. When I built this, I had 2 painting contracts with painting companies. I was primarily doing house washing, downstreaming, and soft washing. So for me, that's really all I needed. I've obviously expanded into more things now, but this pretty much does everything I need it to do. And another good point here, all kinds of stuff I could talk about. I'll do other videos, but if anybody's doing Harbor Freight trailer builds, that's what this is. You want to go to a 13-inch tire, 6-ply, and you're going to have to change out your bearings as well. These are 13-inch wheels, bearing buddies, new bearings in it, new fenders in it, new tires on it. Make that change right away, because when you run that much weight, you're gonna have problems.
So do you have any issues with the weight? What is the weight and how well does it pull it?
So I'm under, right now when I don't fill water, I'm under my 1,720 weight. When I'm full with water, here, come on over here for a second.
What about bleach?
So bleach by itself, 55 gallons, is roughly about a 350-pound tongue weight. You notice the axles here, the tanks are in the front. So one of my biggest problems is tongue weight, because this car can't handle a lot of tongue weight. So what I do when I'm on jobs is I use the water to control the weight of the trailer when I'm transporting. So I empty the water, that way I'm within my weight and I'm not over my tongue weight. And then when I'm on the job site, I lower this to take all of the weight off of the tongue of the trailer and put it on that stand there. So it allows me to run both to a job site dry and light, and it allows me to fully load the trailer down on the site without damaging the vehicle.
Nice. And what do you think is your Spirit pressure washing?
Yeah.
What do you think you're going to do the most with this rig? What is going to be your number 1, number 2 services?
Probably house washing.
House washing, number 1?
Probably house washing and just general like aggregate cleaning for now.
Okay.
I will upgrade to a truck eventually and offer more services come fall, but like gutter cleaning and roofs, soft washing as well.
Okay.
That works great out of this trailer. I can only, because I only have a 55-gallon bleach tank, I can really only do, like, depending on the size of the house, you know, if it's 3,000 square feet, I may be able to get 2 roof washes out of it in a day. But for one guy, for me, pulling it in this situation, man, works great.
Awesome.
It works great. So, just
So
a huge shout out here. Seattle Pro Wash, I really appreciate it. Dylan, man, it's been awesome meeting you today, and your rig's sweet. Shout out to Tim Cray down in Oregon. God, I got a bunch of shout outs, man. Daryl Moss helping us out up here, Vitali as well, and all the other washers out there. It's just it's nice to meet you guys. I look forward to connecting with you all out here in the real world, and maybe we can work on a big project together sometime in the future. So thanks a lot, Dylan. I appreciate it, man, and stay up to date. We'll check out. I'll have more videos here. I'm building my content this week. Should have it out hopefully in the next couple weeks.